We are at Lawai Beach today, and this is going to be our first snorkel stop of our trip. The water looks a little choppy, but not too bad. We see some other snorkelers out there already, so we're super excited to get in and see what marine life we can see. Sometimes there's rip currents here, so we're just going to try to avoid the right side where those are usually at. Let's go check it out. Alright, that was Lawai Beach. That was pretty good. Snorkeling was decent. The visibility wasn't awesome today, but we still were able to see some pretty good stuff, including a turtle. My battery died before I was done, so I didn't get a shot of it, but I did see a massive parrotfish and also a couple of moray eels. So that was really cool. Haley, what did you think?
That's a good spot. There were a lot of little fish. I had one that followed me everywhere.
We've got a few other snorkel spots planned on this trip, as well as some waterfall hikes. So keep an eye out for those videos the next few weeks, and thanks for watching.